At number 1, we have the ICHROSAYA Expandable Large Silverware Organizer. Tired of messy kitchen drawers? This expandable organizer helps keep everything neat without taking up extra space. It adjusts from 3 to 5 sections to fit different drawer sizes, making it a great option for apartments, family kitchens, or RVs. The deep compartments easily hold forks, spoons, knives, and even larger kitchen tools without cluttering together. Made from sturdy food-grade material, it's durable for long-term use and ensures the safety of all your flatware. Plus, it has smooth edges and cleans up fast with just a quick wipe. A simple way to make your kitchen feel cleaner, more organized, and easier to use every day.
At number 2, we have the Kitchen Gadget Set 5 Pieces. The ultimate upgrade for your kitchen. Tired of cluttered drawers? This genius set stacks together to save precious space, keeping your essentials within reach. The sharp stainless steel grater tackles ginger, cheese, and vegetables with ease. Perfect for adding fresh flavors to any dish. And the comfortable grip peeler makes quick work of carrots, potatoes, and more. No more struggling with dull tools. From slicing pizza to opening that well-deserved drink, this set has you covered for every kitchen task. Built from durable, FDA-approved materials, these tools are designed for regular use and are safe for the whole family. The perfect practical addition for small kitchens, apartments, or dorms. Get convenience and functionality in one compact kit.
Tired of searching in the dark? Meet the YGS-Tech LED Motion Sensor Light, your perfect solution for instant, hands-free illumination. It automatically turns on when it detects movement and shuts off after 30 seconds of no activity, saving energy and adding convenience. The wireless, magnetic design makes it incredibly easy to install and move. No drills, no damage to your walls. And with convenient USB-C charging, you can say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. Create the perfect ambiance with adjustable brightness, from a cozy, warm glow for nighttime to brighter light for tasks. Perfect for under cabinets, closets, hallways, or anywhere you need extra light. Simple to install and easy to love.
At number 4, we have the OMAIA 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser with sponge holder. Keep your sink area cleaner and more organized. A quick press dispenses just the right amount of soap, making dishwashing faster and less messy. The built-in tray keeps your sponge neatly in place and away from standing water. It's so easy to drain and clean. Its compact design fits easily beside most sinks without taking up extra counter space. This handy accessory keeps everything you need in one spot, helping your countertop stay tidy every day. Get your OMAIA dispenser now.
At number 5, we have the upgraded herb scissors. Prep fresh herbs faster with these easy-to-use 5-blade herb scissors. The multiple stainless steel blades quickly slice basil, parsley, cilantro, chives, and more into thin, even pieces with just a few snips. No cutting board needed. Built for everyday kitchen use, the sturdy design keeps the blades secure, while the soft, non-slip handle stays comfortable in your hand. A small cleaning comb helps remove herbs caught between the blades, and the protective cover keeps everything safely stored in your drawer. A simple kitchen tool that makes cooking with fresh herbs quicker, cleaner, and more convenient. Upgrade your kitchen with the upgraded herb scissors today. Tired of a cluttered kitchen drawer? Meet the Ouboda 6-in-1 multifunctional cooking spoon. It can stir, scoop, drain, and even separate eggs, making meal prep quicker and more convenient. With 6 functions in one tool, it's the ultimate kitchen helper. Replace multiple gadgets, reduce clutter, and free up valuable storage space. Made from durable, heat-resistant nylon, it's safe for non-stick cookware and easy to clean. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for any home cook who loves practical tools. Simplify your cooking with the Ouboda 6-in-1 spoon. One tool, endless possibilities.
At number 7, we have the Meat Chopper, 5 curved blades ground beef masher. Tired of this common cooking struggle? There's a better way. This handy 5-blade chopper makes cooking ground meat quicker and easier than ever. The curved blades break apart beef, turkey, and sausage more evenly, so everything cooks faster with better texture. Made from durable, heat-resistant nylon, it's safe for non-stick cookware, and the ergonomic handle gives you a secure grip. It's also perfect for mashing potatoes or soft vegetables, making it a practical tool for any one-pan recipe. Upgrade your cooking game today. It comes with a 100% money-back guarantee.
At number 8, we have the Egg Whisk, 2-pack stainless steel. Mix eggs, cream, sauces, and more with less effort using this semi-automatic whisk set. Simply press down on the handle and the whisk spins smoothly on its own, helping blend ingredients quickly and evenly without needing batteries or extra power. Made from durable stainless steel, it's sturdy, rust-resistant, and designed for everyday kitchen use. The lightweight design feels comfortable to handle, whether you're baking, cooking, or preparing quick breakfasts. Cleanup is simple too. Just rinse it off or place it in the dishwasher. A practical kitchen tool that makes whisking faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable.
At number 9, we have the Kitchen Utensils set, the complete 35-piece collection designed for everyday cooking and meal prep. It includes every essential tool you need, from spatulas and spoons to ladles and tongs, all in one convenient matching set. The heat-resistant silicone heads are safe for non-stick cookware, while the wooden handles offer a comfortable grip and modern look. Plus, a full suite of durable stainless steel gadgets built to handle daily use without warping or staining. Perfect for new kitchens, apartment setups, or anyone wanting to cook simpler, more organized, and in style.
At number 10, we have the Kitchen Utensils set. Handle everyday cooking with confidence using this durable silicone utensil set made for everything from meal prep to serving. Each tool combines a soft silicone exterior with a strong reinforced core for a sturdy feel that stays gentle on non-stick cookware. The set includes essential kitchen tools like turners, spoons, tongs, a whisk, pasta server, brush, peeler, grater, and more, giving you a complete setup in one package. Designed to resist stains and lingering odors, these utensils are easy to clean and built for regular use. A practical, all-in-one kitchen upgrade for home cooks who want convenience, durability, and a matching modern look.
At number 11, we have the Asani 25-piece stainless steel kitchen utensil set. Bring a clean, modern feel to your kitchen with this 25-piece stainless steel utensil set built for everyday cooking and baking. It includes essential tools like turners, spoons, a ladle, whisk, tongs, and measuring cups and spoons for more precise prep work. Made from durable stainless steel, the utensils are designed to handle regular use while staying easy to clean after meals. The matching finish gives your kitchen a polished, organized look, whether you're cooking simple dinners or preparing larger family meals. A practical all-in-one set for new kitchens, upgrades, or thoughtful gifting. At number 12, we have the Caraway Kitchen Gadget set. Add a clean, modern touch to your kitchen with this stylish gadget set designed for everyday convenience. It includes 5 essential tools, neatly stored in a sleek organizer for easy access and clutter-free storage. Made from durable stainless steel, each piece feels sturdy, comfortable to hold, and easy to use during daily cooking tasks. Whether displayed on the counter or tucked inside a drawer, this set keeps your most used kitchen tools organized while bringing a polished, minimalist look to your space. Tired of this? At number 13, we have the OMAIA Kitchen Gadget set, your ultimate kitchen upgrade. This 5-piece set includes a can opener, pizza cutter, garlic press, ice cream scoop, and vegetable peeler. One set for all your cooking needs, from prep. At number 14, we have the Cook with Color Kitchen Gadget Set Copper-Plated. This stylish 7-piece set has all your essentials: can opener, ice cream scoop, peeler, pizza cutter, garlic press, cheese grater, and whisk. Featuring durable stainless steel construction and comfortable soft-touch handles for effortless everyday use. Plus, they add a beautiful polished touch to any kitchen setup. The perfect, thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or anyone who loves a stylish kitchen.
At number 15, we have the BUTEFO 8-in-1 kitchen tool set, all-in-one multi-purpose. Tired of cluttered kitchen drawers? This clever all-in-one gadget set is designed to save space and simplify your life. It all starts with a handy measuring cup, perfect for your recipes. Need fresh juice? A grater for veggies? It's all here with brightly colored pieces that are easy to identify. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or dorms. This smart design keeps everything organized and within reach. A practical and creative kitchen accessory that blends convenience with playful style.
At number 16, we have the vegetable chopper. The all-in-one tool that makes meal prep a breeze. Switch between blades for slicing, dicing, shredding, and julienning. Perfect for onions, potatoes, cucumbers, and more. The built-in container catches everything, keeping your counters spotless and cleanup super easy. With non-slip feet and a protective handguard, you can chop with complete confidence and safety. Get perfectly prepared veggies in seconds. Upgrade your kitchen with the vegetable chopper today.
At number 17, we have the Yushin Vegetable Chopper. This compact 12-in-1 chopper handles all your cutting tasks. Dice, slice, and shred with ease. Get perfectly even pieces in seconds, with no messy countertops thanks to the built-in container. Plus, a handy handguard keeps you safe, and a cleaning brush makes cleanup a breeze. The practical kitchen tool for anyone who wants quicker, more efficient food prep every day. At number 18, we have the Store Happily 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. Make everyday meal prep quicker and more organized with this versatile 12-in-1 chopper. The interchangeable blades let you dice, slice, shred, and grate without needing several different tools. A built-in container catches ingredients as you prep, helping keep your counters cleaner and reducing mess while cooking. Helpful accessories like a handguard, cleaning brush, and egg separator make the process easier from start to finish. Simply switch the blade you need and keep prepping. A practical kitchen gadget for salads, soups, stir-fries, and everyday home cooking.
At number 20, we have the electric vegetable chopper. Its powerful motor speeds up meal prep, creating even, consistent cuts for all your dishes. With 3 different feed ports, it handles everything from scallions and carrots to onions and okra. And you can easily adjust the cutting thickness from 1 to 5 millimeters for perfect results every time. Built with durable materials and designed for reliable performance, it's perfect for busy kitchens and large families. Simplify your life. The Caraway electric vegetable chopper makes food preparation faster, cleaner, and more efficient.